Welcome to JH. Let's talk about Liporise, yet another dietary supplement promising to melt your stubborn fat and boost your metabolism into the stratosphere. It boasts a laundry list of natural ingredients like green tea and Garcinia cambogia, promising to fix your digestion and kill your cravings. Because apparently, the secret to a beach body has been hiding in a tea leaf this whole time, and we were just too busy eating bread to notice. The marketing team is clearly working overtime, claiming that 92% of users lost visible inches in their first month and that 67,000 people are currently living their best lives thanks to this pill. It sounds incredibly impressive until you realize there isn't a single study report, PDF, or legitimate certification to back those numbers up. It's almost as if they just pulled those statistics out of thin air, or perhaps a very creative hat, which is exactly where I'd put my trust if I didn't enjoy having a functioning liver. Next, they love to mention that it's made in FDA-registered, GMP-certified laboratories. That sounds super official, doesn't it? But here's the kicker. The product itself isn't FDA-approved or GMP-certified. Using fancy lab credentials to sell an unverified pill is like me saying I'm a 5-star chef because I once stood in a professional kitchen while someone else made a souffle. There's zero clinical verification or doctor recommendations to be found anywhere, leaving us with nothing but big words and red flags. They also lean heavily on buzzwords like top-rated and claims about rewiring your system, which sounds more like a software update than a diet plan. And if the lack of science doesn't scare you off, the checkout process certainly should. Trying to buy Liporise redirects you to a completely different site called VitaRen.com. Nothing says trustworthy business like a surprise digital detour during a financial transaction. It's basically the internet equivalent of a guy selling Rolexes out of his trench coat. Finally, let's talk about that glowing 4.9-star rating. It's a miracle, really, considering there are zero actual written reviews, no Trustpilot entries, and not even a whisper of a discussion on Reddit. It's a near-perfect rating from a total ghost town. In reality, Liporise is a masterclass in marketing hype with absolutely no substance to hold it up. If you're looking for real results, you might want to look elsewhere. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this reality check, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.